There is a nice story in this country. There was one Gopal Bhatt. He was a very cunning fellow. In the Mohammedan period in Bengal, the Mohammedan Nawab asked him, Gopal Bhatt, can you prepare a Mahabharata in my name? Oh yes. So I engaged so many pandits and they make a Mahabharata, your activities, your glories, everything. Give me 100,000 rupees, just begin. You are taking money, taking money. Yes, it is going on. Then when it will publish? Yes, let's last few days more. Now, sir, everything is prepared. So, the one thing is, you have to give me information, how many husbands you have got your wife? Huh? How many husbands your wife has got? That is very insulting. Yeah, what do you nonsense is that? No, that is the main feature of Mahabharata. Draupadi had 5 husbands. So how many husbands your wife has got? Tell me that. Then, no, I don't want that. I am the only husband. And then how can you write Mahabharata? I don't want. How's that? If you want Mahabharata, you must tell how many your wife has got husbands. That he cannot say, the Mahabharata finished.
And he kept the money.
Yes. No, that was planned already. He took that, I have to still pay so much money, give me. That's all.